Have you ever wondered how to infuse the rich flavors of Iraq into your kitchen? Today we're diving into the art of making Iraqi Dolma, a dish that combines stuffed vegetables with a savory rice and meat filling. Imagine the aroma of spices wafting through your home, creating a culinary experience like no other. Join us as we explore this traditional recipe that has been passed down through generations. Let's start with the ingredients. You'll need a variety of vegetables like zucchini, eggplant, and bell peppers. For the filling, gather rice, ground beef or lamb, onions, tomato paste, and a blend of spices including cumin, cinnamon, and allspice. Begin by hollowing out the vegetables, creating space for the delicious filling. Next, prepare the filling. In a bowl, mix the rice, meat, finely chopped onions, and spices. Add a tablespoon of tomato paste and a splash of water to bind the mixture. Stuff each vegetable with the mixture, ensuring it's packed tightly but not overfilled. Now arrange the stuffed vegetables in a large pot. Pour a mixture of water and tomato paste over them, just enough to cover the bottom of the pot. This will help steam the dolma as it cooks. Cover the pot and let it simmer on low heat for about an hour. The aroma will fill your kitchen, hinting at the delicious meal to come. Once cooked, let the dolma rest for a few minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld together, enhancing the taste. Serve it warm, garnished with fresh parsley and a squeeze of lemon juice for an extra zest. Iraqi dolma is not just a dish. It's a celebration of flavors and tradition. Each bite tells a story of heritage and love. Whether you're new to Middle Eastern cuisine or a seasoned enthusiast, this recipe is sure to delight. So, gather your ingredients, invite friends or family, and enjoy the process of creating this culinary masterpiece. Remember, cooking is an art, and each dish is a canvas for your creativity. Embrace the experience and savor the results. Now that you know how to make Iraqi dolma, it's time to bring this dish to life in your own kitchen. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey. We hope you enjoy making and savoring this traditional Iraqi dish. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Feel free to share your dolma creations in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring new flavors, and remember, your journey continues.